Hello students, today in this video we will know about conjunctions. So conjunctions are called joining words, they are called connectors and they are also called linkers. A conjunction is a part of a speech that enables us to connect two words, sentences, phrases, clauses together. A conjunction will allow us to connect two words, sentences, phrases, clauses, etc. together. Here are some examples of conjunction. They are but, and, for, nor, or, yet, because, for, so, either, therefore, either, neither, of, although, whereas, after, before, till, since, unless, until, when, where, while, etc. Now we will move towards the kind of conjunction. So there are mainly three kinds of conjunctions. They are coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction and correlative conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions are 7 in number. They are for, and, neither, but, or, yes, yet. Here is a wrong print. Yet, so. Subordinating conjunctions are after, although, unless, because, in order, since, if, that. And correlative conjunctions are always in pair. They are not only but also, neither, nor, though it. There are many more, but this is only some examples. So there are three major types of conjunction: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction and correlative conjunction. We will come to one by one. So first of all, we will discuss coordinating conjunction. What is coordinating conjunction? A coordinating conjunction joins words, phrases or clauses having similar grammatical structure. Means it will join a verb with verb, a subject with subject, an object with object, a clause with clause, a phrase with phrase, like that. There are 7 types of coordinating conjunctions. So it is very easy to learn all of them. So there are 7 kinds of coordinating conjunction used in English grammar. They are but, or, so, and, for, nor, yet. Okay. Let's move towards example. Here, but it generally used to show a contrast between two clauses. I like sugar in my tea, but I don't. I like sugar in my tea, but I don't. Okay. Or it used to suggest an option or alternatives, or will show us a kind of choice. I like oats, but my showing some kind of choices. Would you like meat or vegetable? So this word is used to show a consequences and result of something, and is so two similar clauses or point are made. For is to explain the why in the situation. Nor it is used about similar two items but in the negative sense. It is used to show contrast in spite of something. In spite of something it is used to show contrast. So our next conjunction is so. It is rainy today, so take your umbrella. We will go through each example. Listen to the question and answer in complete sentences. I have a brother and a sister. Pizza and burger are my favorite snacks. For she must have been very hungry, for she ate everything immediately. He is overweight, for he eats too many cakes and biscuits. He requested him for help, but he didn't help her. Next is nor. She does not like coffee, nor does she like tea. Tina does not like cake, nor does she eat biscuits. So here look at the structure. Whenever you are using nor, after that you have to put verb there. You have to put verb there. Okay. Neither my brother nor my sister own a car. So here neither and nor, when it come together, it will be a correlative conjunction, but here nor is a coordinating conjunction. Our second type of conjunction is subordinating conjunction. Yes. Subordinating conjunctions are those that connect a main clause, independent clause, and a subordinate dependent clause together. So subordinating conjunction will connect two clauses. One will be main clause and another will be subordinate clause. The main clause is the group of words having a subject and a verb. Main clause will have a subject and a verb, and the subordinate clause cannot stand alone, as the sentence give us the complete meaning. Subordinate clause जो होगा बेटा, it will depend on the main clause. Maybe it will some kind of region, some kind of result जो कि first वाले main clause पे depend करेगा. It depend on the main clause to give complete meaning. The various subordinating conjunctions are although, because, before, if, how, since, once, till, until, where, when, whenever, whether, after, while, no matter how, provided that, no soon as, even if, then, that, as much as, unless, who, whom. These all are subordinating conjunctions. Let's move further. Here are some examples. They climbed the mountain although it was very windy. Although it is raining, it is too hot today. Rohan is very tall, although he is not as tall as his father. We are not going to bank because it is closed. Outside, the rehearsal for 26th January is going. That's why some sound are coming. I am very sorry for that, but I have to complete this video. All the shops were closed today because it was a public holiday. Brush your teeth before you go to bed. The farmer milked the cow before going to town. Did he say anything before he left? So before here is subordinating, used as subordinating conjunction. Next is if. If he does not change his attitude, he will lose his job. You will got the prize if you deserve it. If you avoid junk foods, you will lose your weight. Next is since. I have been so busy since I started my job. I think I will stay home and watch a film since it's raining. Mike has been promoted twice since he joined the company. So here Mike is the name of employee of company. They played football until it got dark. You are not watching TV until you finish your dinner. So until here is another subordinating conjunction. Next is whereas. I am poor, whereas my brother is rich. जहाँ मेरा भाई अमीर है वहीं मैं गरीब हूँ, वेयर एज, ओके। द साउथ हैज़ अ हॉट क्लाइमेट वेयर एज नॉर्थ हैज़ अ कोल्ड क्लाइमेट. Next subordinating conjunction is no matter how. No matter how beautiful she is, I won't marry her. I won't give you his phone number no matter how much you insist and repeat your request. No matter how rich he is, he never lends us any money. I won't go to the party unless our third type of conjunction is correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunctions work in pair. So first feature will be it work in pairs. To join the words phrases that have equal importance within a sentence. It will join words phrases that have equal importance within a sentence. The common correlative conjunction are either or, neither nor, whether or both and, not only but also, such that. These all are correlative conjunctions. Now come to the examples of correlative conjunctions. You can have either chocolate or vanilla cake. You may buy either a bag or a pencil box. You will find her either in the kitchen or in the study room. She likes neither tea nor coffee. Rita likes neither milk nor curd. तो आइदर और या तो ये, नीदर नॉर ना तो ये ना तो वो ये, ओके. नीदर राहुल नॉर हिज ब्रदर आर इंटेलिजेंट. He must finish his work whether he like it or not. So next correlative conjunction is whether or, whether or. Do you care whether she is sick or dead? I didn't know whether you want cake or biscuit in tea time. Next correlative conjunction is both and. Sunita can both read and write. The company deals in both hardware and software products. Both is from India. I will not only eat the cake but also the cookies. He not only studied hard but also performed well in exams. Next is such that. It is such a small room that I do not a space to keep things. She is such a beautiful girl that everyone like her. He is such a smart boy that he clears every entrance exams. Thank you.